Hello. By using the T code MM01, we are going to create the material master by using the material master MM01 to create material. Okay. For this, we need to select the industrial sector. Now I'm going to select the mechanical engineering as industrial sector and material type as data which raw material. And now I'll click on the enter, and then we will see the basic views. That is to create the material. Three basic views that is very necessary: basic data, purchasing, and accounting. So I'll click on the OK button, and then the plant that I have created is a EL. Okay, I'll enter, and the material that I'm going to create now is speakers. It's okay, honor speakers. So, okay, honor speakers, and then I'll basic unit of measure speakers each each. I'll select the basic unit of measure and the material group, that is it will come under electronics, and the division, but we can give the any division. I'll give electronic parts, and then I'll click on enter. Okay, I'll click on the dimensions, that is weights. So the cross weight is it will be around 100, and the net weight will be 80. The unit weight that I will mention is grams. Okay, and then I click on enter, and then it will next take us to the purchasing view. Okay, here in the purchasing view, I'll select the purchasing group. The purchasing group, that is HNG. This is the purchasing group, and then I'll select the valuation class. That is to the valuation class is a reminder for the vendor before and after the delivery. I'll select its reminder vendor. I select this and click on this. Here you can see the in previous section you can see that the over delivery tolerance and under tolerance were 10%. And here I'll select the validation class. Click on this and electronics, and here the price control is speakers price is always, it is a standard price, not a minimum price. So the standard price for a speaker for speakers is price unit for two speakers, and so for two speakers, that is for one speaker. Now I'm searching for two speakers, that is 1000. I'll make it price 1000, and then I'll enter and I'll save it. Okay, now the material has been created. You can note here. Previously also you can note that the material has been created. Now the created material number is 3 2 3 4 5 6 8 4. This much of zeros in the name to make the changes. MM02 to change material, to change material to change the material, we use the T code MM02. Okay, so solution MM02. The material number can be if already if we have created the material, means the material number will be displayed here. Otherwise, if the material is different, means you can type it. You can type it. The material that just I have created is this one. So to change the material, plant HOPL, and then here to change the material, right? What will I change? I will change this. I will make it 100, and I will make it the gross weight is 120 grams. Okay, and then here in the purchasing view, I'll change the purchasing value key. Okay, I'll make it 3, and here you can see the unlimited over delivery. That is, you can see here that I have tick marked it as unlimited delivery, so it will come. And then I'll make only these changes, and then I'll save it. After that, to see the display, Metal Master display, the T code is MM03. To just display it is display 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 of material. MM03 for the display of material. So what are the materials that are created? You can see here. Okay. The material that you have to enter that plant, but I just entered it. It will show you whatever it is. It will show you. Okay, this is the material we can see. We can't edit it. You can see once again. I will show you slash n mm03 here. You cannot. Here I will show you. Here you cannot edit it. Here you cannot edit it. It is only for the display purpose. Okay, and then we go for what are the changes that I have made in the material. Okay, for this display changes, and the T code is mm04. mm04 display changes, right? Display changes, CHANGES, display changes. Okay, the T code is mm04 slash n mm04. Okay, the material is this one and the plant is this one. I select here, and you can see already that by using the T code mm02 I have changed them in the material. So the changes that I have made is, you can see here. So you see the in gross weight I have made the changes. The initial value was, the old value was 100, and now the new value is 120 grams. And purchasing value key, I have changed the purchasing value key from this 2 to 3, and the net weight has been, the net weight also I have changed the net weight also, so it is from 80 to 100 grams. Okay, the whatever the changes that I have made, we can see by using the T code mm04. And then we can set a deletion flag for this material. Okay, set deletion flag. The T code is for this setting the deletion flag is mm06. mm06 set deletion flag, set deletion flag slash mm06. Okay, now this is it already. If you want to change any different materials and different plugins, we can enter here. Since I already they are there, I will not go to change, make changes or re-enter it. So I will select this. This is if you select them in here means here the material means here, if you select it means it is for the whole company code level. So if you select it here means it is for the at the plant level. Okay, so since I want to set the deletion flag for the whole plant company code level, I will select here and I'll enter, and you can see here in the company code or the plant, the sales information, everything warehouse will come. So it has been selected, everything has been selected. Now I will enter once again and I will save it. Now you can see the deletion flag has been deletion flags changed. Okay, deletion flags changed. So now after setting the deletion flag, now I'm going to make changes in this same material. Okay, let me see if it is possible to make changes in the same material or not after setting the deletion flag. Okay, okay, now see the plant. Okay, you can see deletion flag is set at client level. So since I have marked it at the highest level, it will show us the deletion flag is set at the client level. So if you set the deletion flag at the plant level, means it will show us the deletion flag is set at the plant level. So okay, you cannot change or you cannot do anything in it. So again, I will go and by using the T code. What is the T code? Deletion flag mm06, right? MM06. I will go and set the deletion flag here. I will unflag that deletion flag here. I will unflag it. I'll click on enter. The whole thing is everything got unselected, and then I'll click it and save it. You can see again I will go and try to make changes in MM02. Mm, okay, you can see here now I can make the changes. Okay, what if I set the deletion flag in the plant level? Okay, let me check it also. /n mm06. Okay, and again I'm going to, I will not select it here. I'm going in the client level, I will make it here, and you see the whole thing is will be selected, this thing only, and then only this thing is selected, and then okay, I'll make the change, and then now I will go to change the material by using the T code mm02. Here again you can see, okay, I'll give the same plant, and you can see at least 2 deletion flag sets are set. Now since I have flag it on the set deletion flag for the plant level, now again I will go and unflag it. Okay. Again I will go and unflag it. Enter. So now we can do changes. Then now I will show you how to make the mask changes. The T code to make the mask changes MM17 mask changes. Okay, by using the T code MM17 we can do the mask changes for the material. So I told you that already I have created 3 materials before creating this 3 00000084 material. So I use those materials also in the same for the same plant. And the T code to mass changes mm17, right? 17. Okay, and you can see here. In this, I'm going to make the changes in the purchasing group. I want to make the changes in the mass changes for the purchasing group. So the purchasing group will be present in the plant data for material MARC. Here in this table, the purchasing group will be present. So I'll select this table and I will execute it. And you see, I'll click on the OK button, and later I'll select the materials. These are the materials that previously created, and serial number wise I created this material also recently, you can see now. And here you can see the data records to be changed, it will be done here, and the data records to be created, it will be done here. So I don't want to I'll go here. So this is, and then I'll execute it. Okay, I'll come back once again. Okay, this is it. I'll execute it. Okay, okay, execute it. So you can see these are the materials that I have created for this same plant. These are the material numbers that you can see. The materials are microchip, screen display, and motherboard, and Honor speakers that I have created for the Honor mobiles uh, for this plant HOPL. So now I'm going to make changes in the purchase group for these all the materials. So we have to click on this, select fields. Now we have to search the purchase group. It is alphabetical. It is all the tables are in alphabetical otherwise. So by searching the, now I am searching the purchasing group. Purchasing, yes, here it is. I'll select it and I'll click on the OK button. And now you can see here the already the present purchasing group is HNG. Now I want to change the purchasing group to LPG for all these materials. So now I will type the LPG material purchasing group, and then I'll select this table. Here I'll select this, and now you have to click on this, that is carry out a mass change. Now by clicking this we will do the carry out mass change. Now you can see the HNG has been converted to LPG. Okay, now to check it whether it has been converted or not, we can click here. We can see the all the four lines have, it is showing where it has been converted to green tick marks. And now I'll come back, and I will right now I'll save it. Okay, okay, I will open another tab to show whether the purchasing group has been changed in the already created material or not. So let's go for display. By using the T code MM03, I have gone for the display of changes for this same material, latest created material. And then I'll give the plant name, and then okay, purchasing group, right? In basic data you won't see the purchasing group. In the purchasing only you will see the purchasing group. You see here, you can see here the purchasing group has been changed to LPG. For all the materials also the purchasing group will be changed. So again I will show you for different materials also. MM03, right? For this material also I'll check whether it has been changed or not. Definitely it will be changed. Okay, now in the purchasing view you can see the HNG has been changed to LPG. Now again I will go and make changes. I will go and make changes. Mass change. Again do the mass change. Slash MM17. Okay, okay, and here I select the plant data for material. Okay, and then once again okay, and then here from this to this material I'm going to change mass change. Each the plant you can fill the plant, or else you can do it directly. Okay, now I'll execute it, and here I search the purchasing group once again. Purchasing group, yes, here it is, and then I'll click on the OK, and then here I change to HNG, and then I'll select it here, and then I will change the mass changes, carry out a mass change. Now directly I will save it. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now it is already been changed. Now I will come in this only, you can see slash MM03 in the display itself. You can see okay, HLPL, okay, okay, and then here you can see that it has been changed to HNG. I will show you in the different materials. So 03 or different material also 84. Okay, plant level. Okay, you can see here also it has been changed to HNG. Okay, mass changes. Now I'm going to extend the views. To extend the views, the T code is MM50. 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 MM50 is to extend views. Extend views. Okay. Okay. Extend views slash MM50. So here by entering the material number is 84, and I'll do this, and I'll check which are all the views that I can extend. C, D, G, L, these are the views that I can extend. So I'll come back and I'll select C, D, G, classification, L, storage here, and then I'll click on here, and you can see here you can see this and maintain materials, and here you can see that you can see the plant data and plant data storage too. These are the materials that I'm extending the views. Now we can change the now you can if you want to add means anything we can add it here. Plant data storage. Okay, I'll change it here. Storage condition, storage on, like this way we can add it, and click on the enter. Now it will take to storage data store, and volume, if there is no volume, so I'll not change anything here. Okay, that's it. That's it. The group data for material is locked by SAP user. Nothing to worry. We can unlock it. We can unlock it. I don't know why it has been locked. Mm, okay. Okay, and then I'll check what happened with this. Okay, check it. It is been showing that the material has been locked. Okay, it has been shown that the material already exists and it will be extended. No, no problem. Okay, the material has been extended. Okay, since it has already it has shown green lines, we can say that the material has been extended. And if any materials has been locked means we can unlock it by using the T code SM12. SM12. So check for this user and for this client which are all the data that have been locked. So now it is showing that no data has been locked. So now it is okay. By clicking here, you can select the locked data and you can delete that locked data and it will be unlocked itself. Okay. Next I will show you. Next I show you the materials that the material list that I have created by using the T code MM60. MM50 is to extend the list and MM60 is to MM60 is to see the material list, the materials which have been created list. Okay, so MM60 is to see the material list using the T code MM60. 60. What is this, man? So you can see the material list I have created here. This one. It is these are the materials just now I have created for this plant. So I'll execute it, and you can see here the material list that I have created for this with reference to this plant, HOPL plant. You can see the descriptions here, and you can see the last changes what I have made for this and material type and then material group, and then what is this? It is called base unit measure, and then purchasing group, and then valuation class, and then the pricing, whether it is price control, whether it is a standard price or what kind of price it is, moving average price, standard price or moving average price. And here you can see the prices that I have given, and it is the currency. And here the user, if I am the user means I can name SAP user. Now it is shown now. Okay, that's all about it. And also to change the material type, see, we can change the material type using the T code MMAM. Change the material type. Okay, MMAM, okay, MMAM. To change the material type. Change the material type. Material type. Okay, to change the material type, MMAM can be used. Okay, right. Now I'm going to change the material type slash n mm am. Okay, for this material, I'm going to change for this material. Okay, uh, new material type is I'll give it as a finished product, and the old material that has been as raw material. Okay, old material was raw material. Okay, we are changing material type from raw material to finished product. Okay, it is been showing me. We're changing the raw material. You are changing material type from raw material to finished product. Okay, yes. What is it? Now click on the enter, and you see the validation class has been changed from here, and it will show that these are the changes that you have to make it compulsory. Uh, you just go through it, and it will show what are the things that you have to fill. It is not compulsory to fill all these fields. Okay, and I will show you the material type, right? Slash n mm 0 to when I'll say slash n mm slash n mm 01. By seeing here itself, you can see now I changed for I changed for 38 material. I changed the material type. You can see it in the material list slash n mm 60 for this. Okay, here you can see the material type. The material type has been changed from ROH to FERT. Now I'm going to change the material type from FERT to ROH. Okay, let me see. Let me do then MM. Okay, for this material, I'm going to change it from ROH, right? Change it for ROH. Okay, I'll click on the enter. Now the validation class has been changed. You can see. And click on the OK button. And here you can. These are the things that it will show. And now let me go and check in the material list. MM60. Whether the material type has been changed or not. You can see here just now it was showing just now before minute it was showing it was a finished part. Now it has been showing as a ZROH raw material. Okay, these are the things that are shown here. So if you have any doubt means you can comment in the comment section. I will answer your doubts and I will clear your doubts. So remember that MAM change of materials. Change the material type. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe and like. Thank you so much.